Hello friends, welcome to Fimes Tech. This is Vivo V15 smartphone. In this video, you'll learn how you can scan QR code using your phone Vivo V15. You can easily scan any QR code using your phone. Just go to the notification area and click here and keep your phone in front of QR code. Yes, here I selected this one and it's scanned and it shows the number. So what's inside the QR code will be displayed if you scan using this option. Again, I show it here. So in this way, you can easily use QR scanner in your phone Vivo V15. It's one of these special hidden feature in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.